Hey, I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the best upgrades I'd recommend for anyone with a truck or a van. Retractable ratchet straps. These used to be expensive, and now you can find a bunch of good affordable options out there. I'll include a link to the ones I'm talking about here down in the description. Ratchet straps or tie downs are an essential tool for securing cargo. Whether it's for your safety or to keep things from flying out the back of your truck and hurting someone else, or just for your own sanity to keep things from shifting and squeaking every time you make a turn, a basic ratchet strap will hold things in place and give you peace of mind. But the main drawback to these is that if you don't take the time to carefully store the long strap when you're done with them, they're a mess. And not only is a tangled strap annoying, but it can put you in danger, because it's only human to look at this and think, I'd rather risk not using it than spend 5 minutes untangling this thing. I've used cheap basic straps for years, and I still keep a pair around for emergencies, even though the handle is disintegrated and I have to carefully manage how I store the strap. They still work, and they don't take up too much space. These retractable straps are bulkier because the strap and the ratchet are all housed together, along with the spring-loaded ratcheting mechanism that's built in. These ones are also just made better, which adds some bulk from the heavier duty handles and hooks. But for me, it's worth the trade-off, because when I'm all done using them, it just takes a second to retract the strap back in and I'm done. In my van, I just keep these hooked in place since they're not exposed to the elements, plus the closed loop carabiner hook at the end of these prevents them from slipping free or wandering away. At the time I'm recording this, you can get a pair of these on Amazon for around $50. This brand is in no way the only option out there with this retraction mechanism, so shop around if you think you can find a better deal or if there's a specific size or strength requirement you're looking for. But I can say I've been using this PowerTye brand all year, and I have only good things to say about them. Again, you can find a link down in the description, and you can find thousands of reader-recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.